All right, boys, we fixing to push this thing out in the sunlight. This is the first time. We're still over here at Randy's, RJ Motorsports. If y'all need some paint and body work done, hit them up. Randy Eller, these guys, GM, all his guys over here. God, boy, that thing, wow, wow, wow. We're fixing to go to the racetrack. Check it out, guys. If y'all need some paint and body work, RJ's, Wilmington, North Carolina. This is freaking amazing. Can't thank these guys enough for hooking us up and getting us a color on the car. Boys, the sunlight. Oh my goodness. Like, wow, dude. Wow, wow, wow.